At Divisioners Arcade 2, progress never stops. Today's milestone includes the successful development of the underground water tank, along with the completion of slab work. From every angle, aerial to ground, our commitment to quality construction is visible. With machines in motion, material preparation underway, and dedicated labor on site, each frame reflects the excellence we aim to deliver. Located at Airport Green Garden, Top City 1, Islamabad, Arcade 2 is not just a project, it's a promise of value and vision. Stay tuned as we continue to build your future brick by brick with Divisioners.